My name is Neilg, give it up for the haters, R.I.P. Give it up to the only channel where disliking isn't me. So citizens of YouTube, time to make the channel grow. Time to thumb it up or down, so tell me yo, what's your vote? And keep on voting.
Hello citizens of YouTube. Like always, let's see what last vote's results and replies were. So this vote is brought to you guys by these YouTube citizens. So guys,
Airsoft or Paintball? I thought these two would be a good matchup. They both have their pros and cons. Click thumbs up if you choose Airsoft. Click thumbs down if you choose Paintball. Do 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 do. Cheers.